How to find earned income credit on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The earned income credit is a tax credit for low to moderate income workers. If you are eligible, TurboTax helps you to claim it automatically. The first thing you want to do is log into TurboTax online. Now from these lists, select deductions and credits. Now you want to scroll down and find you and your family, then find earn income credit. Go ahead and click on the start or revisit option. Now, TurboTax will ask you a couple of questions to check the eligibility. Go ahead and answer them. After completing the eligibility section, TurboTax will calculate your EIC automatically. If you qualify, the credit will appear on Schedule EIC and on Form 1040 line 27. TurboTax will apply the credit to reduce taxes owed or increase your refund. Now review your tax return. Then you can e-file or print and mail your return to claim the credit. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.